And out of nowhere, it hit him like a ton of bricks. No warning, no build-up, just impact. He was sitting there, mind racing, pressure closing in, panic creeping up. Let's keep it a buck. Everything he had done up until that moment had defined who he was, or at least who he thought he was. Then one truth cut through the noise. Your yesterday does not equal your tomorrow.
Back again, finally. And I won't even lie to you. Your boy was depressed. I was depressed. I was struggling mentally, emotionally, physically, and even financially for a little bit. I had the corporate gig. I was living that life. And then I thought about it. Does that define me as a person though? Does it make me who I am? Regardless of what you do, but if you turn all that energy that you exuded for this corporation for 8 years and you decided to turn it back within, what could you accomplish, right? And this is the real. This is the stuff nobody wants to talk about while being a trader. We don't want to talk about this because see, what's crazy is that while people thought I had progressed so far, who's better off? Miyamoto Musashi said it best, see nothing outside of self. Everything you need is within. So yeah, for a second, I was actually trying to get back into the corporate world. I was doing it heavy. I was going hard. So life's pressures made trading harder. It did, but you want to know something crazy? The whole time I had that job, I could never pass one eval. Now I'm working on my fourth. Here I am with the ability to transform my entire life, but I'm faced with some hardship, and all of a sudden, I don't want to do nothing else. I just want to sit here. I want to sit here and be sad all day and think about what I had. I'm depressed. I'm sitting there, I'm mad, I'm grieving, like literally, because that's who I identified as. I was that person. Now here's the crazy part. Did that job make me that person? No, I was that person all along. Things went sideways, but that's okay. Here's the thing, what are you gonna do about it? You gonna fall down, you gonna stay down, and you gonna get back up, right? So the hardest part is losing that momentum. You know, I started to question everything, even with my self-confidence was gone. Like, cause I lost faith in who I was as a man. We don't know what the future holds. And yeah, granted, I gotta do some stuff I don't wanna do. I'm making a fraction of what I used to make. But you know what I learned in life? It's these hard seasons that define you. And you gotta look at it just like a chart. We know price doesn't go straight up all the time. It doesn't continuously rise up. Sometimes your stop loss gets hit. Yeah, that's what happens. You go up, you go back down. Survival does not equal failure. Trader's ambition is about showing up. This isn't a comeback. It's a continuation. You're not behind. You're human. It's not me saying, yo, you know, this is how I'm living. Nah, it's trash right now. I almost cussed, but I'm not gonna do it. But this is trash. I still dream about what I had, and I lost everything. And I'm bouncing back, crawling my way back, and I'm here to tell you that if you're in the same situation that I am, it's okay. And I think one of the worst things a person can do, especially in this economy, in this world, is be reliant and dependent upon somebody else to feed you. The real skill is feeding yourself. We've lost that skill. Our craft is trading. Our profession is trading. And everything else at this point is a distraction. You're gonna fall. It's inevitable. You're gonna fall. But it's about how quick you get back up. I don't know if y'all could tell in my earlier video, like, yeah, it is what it is. No, I was terrified. And I think I said that. Yeah, I'm terrified. Yeah, I'm serious. What am I gonna do? Right? The ego takes a hit. Everything you thought you knew how to do is gone. But I'm over it. You dig? Like, I say, hey, this is gonna be a fight. This YouTube thing is gonna be a fight. Me getting up at 2 and 3 again in the morning just to trade London when we all know when NASDAQ, most of the moves happen in what? NY, guess what? I'm working, so that's out. I'm being challenged again. No more distractions. I ain't gonna hold you. What I'm about to do is probably crazy to a lot, but you'll see. My brother would say, we outside, ain't we? We outside, no parachute. But I'm out here, guys, and I realize this is the type of channel this is gonna be. This is the real rap raw trading, right? This isn't me up here, this is all you need to do to make $1,000 in a minute. Yeah, you're not gonna hear me say that. I'm here to tell you, you're gonna fall down. You're gonna make mistakes in life, but you are not your mistakes. You hear me? You are not your yesterday, and your yesterday is not your tomorrow. My name is Bruce Wayne, and this is Trader's Ambition. Let's get it.